How to fix audio issue in CapCut app in 2 minutes. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn to fix audio issues on CapCut app in 2 minutes. Without further delay, let's get started. First, open CapCut and sign into your account. Now you can easily select your project. The first step that you need to check is if the mute option is enabled. If so, you can easily tap on mute on the left side. Make sure your device volume is turned up and verify that the audio file format is supported by CapCut. You can even try tapping the export icon in top right corner, and if the issue persists, you need to make sure to exit CapCut, launch App Store or Google Play Store. Now search for CapCut. And if you find any updates, you simply need to tap update and update in order to fix bugs and improve the performance. If updating doesn't help, you can easily uninstall and reinstall CapCut. For that, long press CapCut app icon and tap on uninstall. Tap uninstall and reinstall from App Store or Play Store. This will help fix corrupted files or setting causing audio problems. And that's it. These steps should help resolve your CapCut audio issue. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.